In this video, we'll walk you through a scenario which will explain what's the best way to set up your Surface Duo device. Even though what I have in my hand is a Foldsy device and it's not a Surface Duo, but we'll just use this to showcase what I'm talking about. Let's talk about some of the nuances which come with Surface Duo device. Inside the Surface Duo device, any app, if it opens in a split screen, it'll completely cover one side of your screen. That means anything which is on your desktop on that side of the screen will be completely blocked for you to access. We'll use this to showcase how I would configure my Surface Duo device to make my life easier. So the first thing is I'll go to my personalized settings. I'll leave the width of the grid to 3, but I change the height of the grid to 5. Let's also go to the foldable device setting. Here, let's turn this setting on. It'll create 2 panes on my single screen. Let's restart it. At this point, I'm going to move these apps to the right side. Let me also turn on the second option here. What it means is that if I open any window, it'll open only on the side where that window resides. So for example, if I'm opening the welcome folder, it's going to open on the right side only, not on the left side. What should we do for the left side of the screen? For this, I will add some widget. In this case, let me add a clock widget here. I can make it big. Okay, let me add some more widget. If you have any news widget, you can add that. Let's go to the next screen. Here I'll create some dummy folder and I'll move this app back here, and I'll also move this dummy folder to the next side. So at this point I have 4 desktops. First desktop, second desktop, third desktop, and fourth desktop. On the third desktop, if you want, you can create some more widgets. The last screen is more like a dummy at this point. The last screen I created just so that I can scroll to the right. Let's say you open some app in Surface Duo which opens on the right side, which means this thing is covered. So now you want to access your apps, you can simply slide it on that side. So now this screen is covered by your app. If you want to open more apps, you can do it from here. If you want to open your folder, you can do it, and so on. If you want to see your widget which is on the next screen while this screen is covered, you can simply swipe it here. At this point, I'll open the personalized setting. I'll go to the desktop and I'll change the default desktop to 2. Now if I restart my launcher, it's going to open with this view as a default view, not at this view. If I'm here and I tap on the home screen 2 times, it's going to take me to this view, not this view. When the Surface Duo screen is folded, whatever configuration you have for the main screen may not look good, and for that there's an option which says configure cover screen differently. I have turned this setting on. If you notice, the layout of this screen is completely independent of the inside layout. You can also save these settings independently. To compare the WinX launcher with the Microsoft launcher, number 1, our taskbar is very configurable. Our start menu is highly configurable. You can open multiple instances of apps by selecting this option. Our display is more reliable. We are also highly responsive when it comes to answering your questions. Thank you all. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please like the video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do. Thank you.